Tutorial number 1 on how to sign up for the MyCar app, shop management, and lead system. Visit mycarapp.com. On the top right of the homepage, you'll see options for Shop Login and Client Login. Click on Shop Login, then scroll down to create an account. Start by entering your first name and last name followed by your email address. Fill out the required information including your phone number and mobile number. Make sure to check the consent to this box if you'd like to receive customer requests via text message. Next, enter your business name, whether it's an LLC, Inc., or another designation. Provide your DBA name, which will be displayed to customers. You'll also need to input your EIN number. This is a 9-digit identifier required for your business or social security number. If it's a sole proprietorship, then continue by entering your business address, including the city, state, and zip code. Additionally, you have the option to add a brief description about your company that will be visible to customers. You can also upload your company logo. Finally, create a password for your account, which you'll need to remember for future logins. Once all information is filled out, click on Create Account. If there's an issue such as an incorrect EIN number, the system will alert you to correct it. After your account is successfully created, you'll be prompted to select the services you provide. Each service has its price per month. For example, if you offer auto repair, select it and specify whether you're an independent repair shop, handle hybrid or diesel vehicles, or specialize in a particular brand like BMW. Also add your services from the list such as AC repair, brakes, emissions, and engine service. Just highlight all that apply to your shop. If you offer mobile or in-house service, select that option as well. If you provide additional services like tire or wheel services, you can subscribe for an additional fee. Once you've selected all applicable services, click on Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your credit card information and review the total amount. If you have a promo code, enter it here before submitting your payment. The system is set to auto-renew, so your services will automatically renew each month at the selected rate. This concludes the first part of the sign-up process. Our next video will guide you through managing your dashboard and utilizing the full capabilities of our management system. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide has made signing up for MyCar app straightforward and efficient.